Hi, this is Alvin, and this is my presentation. Trains in the Philippines. PNR, MRT, and LRT. Let's start with the PNR, or the Philippine National Railway. It started operating on November 24, 1892. It currently operates in Metro Manila and the neighboring Laguna Province. It operates on two main lines, North Main Line and South Main Line. The North Main Line stations are Alabang, Sucat, Bikutan, FTI, Nichols, EDSA, Pasay Road, De La Rosa, Buendia, Vito Cruz, San Andres, Paco, Pandacan, Santa Mesa, Espanya, Laon-Laan, Blumentritt, Tutuban, Solis, Fifth Avenue, Asistio, Sangandaan, and Governor Pascual. The South Mainline stations are Muntinlupa, San Pedro, Binyan, Santa Rosa, Cabuyao, Mamatid, Calamba, Pansol, Masili, Los Baños, College, and IRRI. And that's all for the PNR. Next stop is LRT, or Light Rail Transit. It operates in two lines, LRT Line 1 and LRT Line 2. The LRT Line 1 stations are constructed at around September 1981, but started operating in 1984. The LRT Line 1 stations are Roosevelt, Balintawak, Monumento, Fifth Avenue, Arpapa, Abad Santos, Blumentritt, Tayuman, Bambang, Darte Jose, Carriedo, Central Terminal, United Nations, Pedro Hill, Quirino, Vito Cruz, Hilpuyat, Libertad, EDSA, and Baclaran. The LRT Line 2 stations are constructed at around the year 1990. The LRT Line 2 stations are Recto, Legarda, Pureza, Vimapa, J. Ruiz, Gilmore, Betigo Belmonte, Cubao, Anonas, Katipunan, Santolan, Marikina, and Antipolo. And that's all for the LRT. Last stop is MRT, or Metro Rail Transit. The Metro Rail Transit, or MRT, was constructed in the 1996, but started operating in 1999. The MRT stations are Taft Avenue, Magallanes, Ayala, Buendia, Guadalupe, Boni, Shaw Boulevard, Ortigas, Santolan Annapolis, Cubao, GMA Kamuning, Quezon Avenue, and North Avenue. Next is me train spotting in action. The left photo is grade 1 me in LRT Hilpuyat Station. The right photo is the LRT in EDSA Station. You know? Ang lakas! Ang lakas! Wow! This one is in Mandaluyong, but the MRT is going to Boni. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the ride.